Hey everyone, welcome back to the Ooni channel. I'm Mike, Pizza in the Sack, and today we got a great video for you. This is the Fyra, the successor to the Ooni 3. I'm gonna give you some great tips and tricks on how to make some successful pizzas in your home. To start off, we're gonna need some nice pellets. Right now we're using the Ooni brand pellets. If you can't find the Ooni brand pellets or order them, the oak pellets, pure oak pellets will do the trick. Next, you'll also need some fire lighters. Ooni has great fire lighters to help start that flame. Also today, I'm gonna be making 4 pizzas using approximately 2 pounds of pellets. What I like to do is I like to get my Ooni hardwood pellets into any hardware store's bucket. This will also keep it from getting moisture to come on it as well. Especially with winter approaching, you never wanna have any moisture on your pellets. To start, I'm gonna give you a little background on this oven. The peephole here, the peephole is actually gonna be nice because when you close the oven door, you can actually see the flame. This actually is nice and compact. It has the nice baffle associated with it. One thing on this baffle is you're gonna wanna have gloves. This chimney gets very, very hot. If you turn the baffle, it shuts the flame, create the smoke inside the oven, and also reduce the flame size. Open the baffle, it produces the air to come right up to the chimney. I'm gonna go ahead and lock this system in right here. And then we're gonna put the cap on. This cap also doubles as a pellet scooper as well. This is the pellet hopper. We're gonna put this in the very back of the oven as well. This is how we're gonna feed the pellets once the flame gets going. So each of these is about 8 ounces. So we're gonna use about 4 of these to cook 4 pizzas. To start, what I do is I create a small amount of pellets, and I start it with a fire lighter. This part is gonna go to the very front, to the middle. Once that flame's going, we're actually gonna stick it in the back here. It should only take about 10 minutes to get to 932 degrees. So while that's going here, we're gonna shut this door. Make sure the baffle is parallel so the air can escape as well. I always wait for the fire to be nice and strong before I add more pellets to my hopper. One of the main things I would see when first starting out is the smoldering of the flame. This is caused by adding too many pellets too quickly. I add very little at a time. I shoot for temperatures between 800 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit before launching. After about 5 minutes, we can check our temp here. It's around 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So while the oven is preheating, it's about 500 degrees now. You can start making your first pizzas. It's been 10 minutes. Let's see how that fire is ripping. See that flame? It's almost close there. We want that flame to be rolling at 700 degrees in the back. What you also want to do is make sure these pellets are nice and topped. I don't go all the way up because I don't want to smother the flame. See the flame ripping over? Right now we're about 850 degrees Fahrenheit in the back of the oven. And we're ready to go make some Neapolitan pizzas. Make sure it's sliding off that peel nicely. So once we're done, we're going to shut that. We're going to take about 15-20 seconds. In between, if your flame's not doing well, you can also top a little more pellets as well. Okay. All right, pizza number 1's done. Pretty good looking pizza, huh, for first round. 3 more to go here. I'm gonna shut this, and after each pizza, you wanna make sure flame management is key. Make sure we're setting ourselves up for success. A little bit more pellets. Again, I'm not filling this hopper up all the way. I'm actually keeping it just below the line right here. So it's all about instincts at first, learned instincts. And after a while, you know when to turn. Today we made this granulated garlic white pizza. We made 2 different margarita pizzas. This classic cupping pepperoni Neapolitan pizza. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button below for more pizzas from Ooni Pizza Ovens. Enjoy.